Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change delivery address on Instacart. To get started, you want to open your web browser. For this demonstration, I'll be using my Chrome browser. You want to go ahead and search for Instacart. So that's instacart.com. You want to go ahead and click on enter. Alright, as you can see, this is my Instacart account. On the top right here, you can see I have 0 orders. But what we want to do here is to change delivery address. Let me quickly show you how to do it. Alright, here you have your account settings. You can see the stores, your orders, your recipes. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click on account settings, and that's what you want to click as well. And here you'll find addresses. Below that you see payment methods, notifications, loyalty cards, and you can log out. But we are concerned about how to change delivery address, so we're going to click on this one, addresses. Instacart.com wants to use your device location. I'm going to click on allow. I'm going to click OK. You can go ahead and choose use current location, but to change address you want to click on add new address. So we're going to click here, and here you can type whatever address you want. I'm going to type 12B Lawson Avenue. I'm going to choose this one right here. So you want to go ahead and fill other informations here, like your apartment, the floor, the suite, and so on and so on. But that is just optional. And you can add your business name, and that's also optional. And then you want to add your zip code. All right, and then you want to add delivery instructions. So once you're done adding everything, you want to go ahead and click on save. Okay, that's basically just it. That's how to change delivery address on instacart.com. If you find this video helpful, you can drop a comment in the comment section. You can subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.